What's up, YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, we're bringing you another episode of our unboxing videos. On the block today, we have a part that we bought specifically for our Cafe Racer budget build. I'll put a link to it up here. But this isn't just a part that's going to be used one time. This product that we bought is a Motion Pro SYNCPRO carburetor synchronization tool. What this does is, for example, specifically on our Cafe Racer that we're using is a 1991 Honda Nighthawk 750. It has 4 carburetors on it. So what this tool will do is allow us to sync all 4 carburetors to ensure that they are running in synchronization, so that way the bike will run as optimal as possible. One big plus to the Motion Pro gauge is that instead of using a needle or a conventional style analog gauge, these use mercury tubes filled at the bottom. So what that's going to do is it's going to give us a more accurate reading on our part. As far as the fit and finish of this product, it comes from Motion Pro. Motion Pro, in my opinion, is one of the top of the line brands as far as when you're buying tools for your motorcycle. In the actual box itself, I don't want to take that zip tie off here, but they give you all the adapters and hose necessary so that way you can run this off of your bike. Also in the box is obviously going to be, if I can do it without breaking it, this is the actual gauge itself. So what you're going to do is you'll hook this gauge into your bike, for 2 or 4 carbureted systems, 3 carbureted systems, I guess, if it's on like triples for snowmobiles. But at any rate, you'll hook that in, and then you'll use this. Once we actually do use this gauge, I will make a video on there. So at some point, check our channel, and you'll be able to see one of these gauges in action. But Motion Pro makes a great product. Again, the boxing, the quality of the box, instructions on the box, everything by Motion Pro is top notch. So if you're in the market for one of these, feel free to reach out to us. We'll give you the best price we can on them. We are a dealer for Motion Pro. But I'll also put in the description a link to one of these on Amazon. Amazon's actually pretty fairly priced when it comes to these gauges as well. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you can, like the video, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Smack the subscribe button. You can stay up to date with everything going on at Siegfried's Motorworks. And thank you again for watching. We'll catch you guys on the next video.